Bonjour les amis, je m'appelle Kartik Saraf. Hello friends, myself Kartik Saraf, and today we are going to learn the second chapter of this book, which is Bonjour. Bonjour means Bonjour means three things. So what are these three things? Let me scroll down and then tell you all. Bonjour means three things. So what are these three things? We are going to learn. Bonjour means hello, morning, good afternoon. Okay. So bonjour means three things. Okay. Hello, good afternoon, good morning. Okay. So let's continue to our text. This text is totally written in French. Okay. So let us refer to that text. Okay. So here Celine and they are two friends, Celine and Louis. So Celine and Louis are talking to each other. Okay. So let's start. Celine says, Salut. Say salut means hi. Okay. Salut means hi. Okay. Salut. So we also replies him hi. Okay. Let's continue. Celine, comment ça va? Comment ça va means how are you? Wait a minute. Let me take out my text tool and then write. How are you? Okay. So Louis replies that ça va bien, merci. Et toi? So what ça va bien, merci means? So ça va bien, merci means I know, fine, thank you. Wait a minute. Fine, thank you. Fine, thank you. And you? So Louis also wanted to know about Celine. So he writes. So he so Celine replies, fine, thank you. Fine, thank you. Here, Sababia merci. Sababia means fine. Merci means thank you. Etwa means and you. Sava means fine. Merci, thank you. Have you noticed one thing? Sababia bit and Sava. There is no bien in Celine dialogue, but in Louis there is bien. Celine used running language of French, so that's why running language we sometimes in English we say I am fine, thank you. We sometimes we say fine, thank you. So these are running languages. Okay. Au revoir et à bientôt. Au revoir et à bientôt means goodbye and see you soon. See you soon. Okay. So au revoir means goodbye. Et means and a bientôt means see you soon. Okay. Let's continue to second dialogue, which is Celine's one. Goodbye. Have a good day. Goodbye. Have a good day. Okay, so Celine says it, and they both left. Okay, so this was the informal conversation. French is divided in two conversation, informal and formal, which I will tell you in this video only. So let's continue. There is another dialogue in which a student talks to her teacher. Okay, so let's start. So Elena is a student and Madame Blanc is a teacher. So Elena wishes her Bonsoir, madam. Bonsoir, madam means good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Okay. So, Madame Block also sees her and replied, good evening. Okay. Madame Elena says, Como te livu? How are you? So, Elena, so Madame Blanc replied, I am fine, thank you. You and you. So, Elena replied that je vais bien, merci. Je vais bien, merci means I am fine. I am fine, thank you. Then Madame Blanc says that au revoir etademo. Au revoir etademo means goodbye and see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. So Madame Blanc reply her like this. Now let's continue to second, which Elena says goodbye. Have a good evening. Okay, so this conversation is also finished. Let us refer to the green box, which is always there in your book. Whichever chapter you have opened, there will be a green box. Okay, let's continue with this. So this green box contains word meanings which you have to learn. Salut means hi. Kamasawa means how are you to a friend. Here to a friend means informal way. Informal way you are to a friend. Informal way to a informal way can be used with the family members also. Okay, ça va bien, merci, fine, thank you. Merci means thank you. Ça va bien, means fine. Et toi and you, informal. See, toi, au revoir, goodbye. À bientôt, see you soon. Bonne journée, have a good day. So here, toi means you. Okay, in Hindi we say tum, right? Or tum. In Hindi, etwa me. If we translate French to English, etwa means or tum, right? So we say like this. Okay. And here kamasava means tum kaise ho, to a friend. Okay, we say that many things. So that's why. Okay. Then let's continue with next. So bonjour means have a good day. Okay, which I told you in the video. Have a good day, bonjour. So have you noticed in this accent? These accents are very important. So you have to learn these accents also where these accents are used. Okay, let's continue with the second green box. And we will come to the third conversation. Okay, these kind of conversations are bonsoir, good evening, comment allez-vous, how are you to an adult. To an adult means it's an informal way. It's an formal way. It's a formal way. Okay. Je vais bien, merci. Je vais bien means I am fine. Merci means thank you. Et vous. Et vous. Et vous means and you. Or aap. In Hindi or aap. Formal. Okay. À demain. See you tomorrow. Bonne soirée. Have a good evening. Okay. So let us continue with the second, with the third. So you all can understand. So there is one more conversation. It's a little big conversation. So there are three people. One is Celine, Madame Caron and Andre Girard. So let's start the conversation. So here conversation says, Celine, bonjour. Celine says bonjour to Madame Caron. Okay. So Madame Caron replies, bonjour. Bonjour means hi. Bonjour means hello, good morning, good afternoon. Okay. These three things means bonjour. Okay. Je m'appelle Louis Caron. It means my name is Louis Caron. Comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? So Madame Caron wanted to know what is her name. So Celine says, Je m'appelle Celine. My name is Celine. Madame Caron says, Monsieur, comment vous appelez-vous? Sir, what's your name? So I think Monsieur Girard is replying something, and what he's replying, let us see. Monsieur Girard replies, Je m'appelle André Girard. My name is André Girard. Okay, let's continue with next. Madame Caron, enchanté, Monsieur Girard, enchanté. Enchanté means glad to meet you, nice to meet you, enchanté. These both mean enchanté. Okay, let's continue with the green box. Then let's see what is going. We are going to learn. Okay. Comment ça va? So here, comment ça? There are four ways to reply of comment ça va. How are you? If there are two, one way if you are fine, they can use. If you are doing very well, you can say second one. Third one, if you are not very well, so you can say sa ne va pa. Fourth one is sa va ma. We are going to learn this. Okay, sa va. If suppose your friend says comment ça va, and what you will say ça va. Ça va means fine. Normally fine. Nothing else. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Ça va très bien. Ça va très bien means ça va très bien means I am very well. Okay. Then ça ne va pas. Ça ne va pas means I am not very well. I am not well. Okay. Or ça va mal. Ça va mal means I am sick. Okay. So these are the answers how you will reply on your conditions. So let's continue with next. So we have reached the end of the video. After reading green box, we are going to end this video. Then in the next video, we are going to learn about more pages. Okay, so let's read. Then I will tell you what we are going to read in the second chapter, in the second video, in the another video. Bonjour, hello, good morning. Bonne nuit, good night. Madame, madam, Mrs. Monsieur, sir, Mr. Okay. Mademoiselle, Miss. Comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? To a friend. To a friend means informal way. Okay. Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name? To an adult. It's a formal way. Je m'appelle. My name is. Enchanté. Glad to meet you. Do you know that if somebody asks you comment tu t'appelles, you will say je m'appelle only. Comment vous appelez-vous? Je m'appelle only. Okay. If somebody asks your name, whether in formal way or a formal way, so you will say je m'appelle only. Okay, nothing else. So in our next video, we are going to learn when to say bonjour and when to say error greetings also. See, we are going to learn these pages, and in the second video, we will learn the grammar rule and this les salutations. After, in the third video, we are going to study exercises. So till then, stay home, stay safe.